Hi everyone, this is Chris right here at Johnson RV in beautiful Sandy, Oregon, and today I bring you another piece of our inventory here. We are located in Sandy, Oregon, and we are the largest van dealer in the country. We carry an array of new vehicles as well as a fleet of pre-owned. So if you guys are looking for an adventure van or a touring van, you can reach out to Johnson RV and ask for Chris Red. Today I'm going to walk you through this is a brand new unit here. This is a Pleasureway REKON. It is four-wheel drive, and it's a selenite gray, which is a very sleek color, built on the Mercedes-Benz chassis, and it's four-wheel drive. A nice adventure van here in the Northwest or anywhere you want to travel. I'm going to walk you around, just point out a couple features, and then bring you inside and kind of give you the lay of the land here. So walking around, this is a 144-inch wheelbase, so it's the short Sprinter. Very nice. It's four-wheel drive. You have this nice step here that's always there, nice to get in. You also have a quick disconnect for a barbecue hooked up to your propane system. This is equipped with a power awning. You can see that right there. They do this nice little graphic here of these mountains, 4x4 REKON, and if you wanted to, you could remove those. You do have a couple plug-ins here. Now this coach has 400 amp hours of lithium batteries, as well as a 2,000 watt inverter. And let's see what else it has here. This has a great, let me point in the back here. So it has a great storage area. So this bed actually folds down and you sleep this direction. There's no pop out, so it looks very sleek when you're driving down the road. Your batteries are located here. This right here, a unique thing about this RV, this has these cans here, so your gray water can actually, you can put these cans down here and you can just dump the gray water wherever you want. Or if you're out somewhere remotely and you're just trying to wash your hands or something like that, you can just open up the outside ports and they can just fall onto the ground, depending on what kind of soap you use. Obviously, you use the right kind. You have a nice little step getting in and out. It does have screens. It's equipped with an air conditioner. And then walking around to the driver's side where we started, you're going to notice this is going to be your propane tank. Now that's removable, so you just couple wing nuts here and you can go swap that out at any gas station or a supermarket, so it's very easy to replace your propane here. And then it has a Truma hot water heater, so a tankless hot water heater. This does have a cassette toilet here, which is a wonderful thing. You can dump that when you're out traveling around, very easy. Pull it out, twist the nozzle, and then you can dump it. It's a 5-gallon black tank here, and it is equipped with an outdoor shower. So if you follow me around, I have Corey Wilkins behind the camera here, so you can ask for him as well if you see an adventure van at our dealership that you want to talk about. First thing I want to point out here, nice open door here, as well as a screen that drops down. Now, you have two of these little screens here which control your lighting, your heater, and all those things. So you have one outside here, and you have one inside. This is a Truma, this is your refrigerator, and the nice thing about this is nobody gets a van just to hang out in the van. You know, you're outside, so this is actually removable. You unclip this, you can remove that out, you can have your cold beverages outside, which is very cool. If it gets rainy, these seats do spin around, and you have your Laguna style table that you can hook up here, so you can have, you know, your dinner inside if it does, you know, the weather calls for that. Opening up the bathroom here, a lot of people just use this for storage, but there's your toilet, which will also allow you to get to that, you know, 5-gallon dump tank. These are removable shelves, of course, but there is a shower. And then if you just look inside, you're going to notice just a nice little sink, and then you have your area in the back here, so nice little tie downs if you want to bring your bikes or anything like that along. But this is just a little great adventure van here in the market now, and we are very fortunate to be a Pleasureway dealer. But we do have an available REKON on the lot in that selenite gray, which is a nice color, and then the lighter interior, which makes it doesn't feel like a cave inside, which is a wonderful thing that Pleasureway offers. So give me a call at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. My name is Chris Red. Thanks for watching the video.